All right, so for this how-to video, we're gonna learn how to split apart an object that has like two different objects within one. So a fast example, let's go to your side, Shift A, no, Shift A, image reference, the powering with all the little gizmos on it, make it 10 meters wide, see-through, and so we're gonna like create this piece right here, and then this piece right here, and then add those things on top. So let's see, object mode, add cube. It's right here in the middle. All right, let's go with 1. Make sure it's SX, so it goes a little bit above the outer ring. All right, 3. Now let's move it. It'll become this piece right here. Let's see, edit. See, oh, we gotta change the vertices. All right, so C. Right, make sure you're toggling X-ray. Then G. Let's see, so it should go a little bit up, a little bit out of the, what do you call it? The outer ring. So C, G. Right. All right, and that's pretty good. Just we have to take the outer ring actual proportions to account, so this isn't too bad. All right, that's good. All right, so there we have that object created, and now we're going to use that geometry or the faces it has to create our, what do you call it, our little triangular square thing right here. So select the face, then this face, Shift D to create a face from it, and then let's line things up. So let's see, S, vertices, G, so that's good. And we're gonna export it. Actually, no, before we export it, make it into a face, then selected, then that's gonna be E this way, and E that way. All right, so that'll be the object we want to separate from this other object. All right, so then press A for everything, then go to P by loose parts, and now you have your cube. Oh, sorry, tab. Actually, get rid of this image right here. Get rid of this X-ray. Okay, so now you have your little extra thing here and little other extra thing here. So now you have 2 objects from that one. And then we're going to repeat that for the extra gear over here. And that way you have a little few more examples of how to create different objects from objects. All right, so then we want this to appear over here, so we would go auto mirror X, auto mirror, so it has the same orientation, it's just flipped over. All right, and that's pretty cool. And then if we, yeah, and X-ray this, you can see that it pretty much blends in there. It's what needs to be there. Yeah. All right, and so again, we'll continue with this one in a bit. All right, Let's see. So 3, another cube. Make sure it's 1 S X going out well enough. Yeah, that's good. Then 3, then G. Right. 3 tab. Let's break it up into a loop cut. Yep. So that should be those parts. Okay. So then vertices, circle, G. All right, good. All right. Right there. All right, and that looks good. Right. Now we have that part. We can select the faces, take the geometry from here, and loop cut. All right, take the face from here and here. Oh, I accidentally loop cut that. Okay, that's fine. Actually, it's not fine. All right, we got that. So 3 S, no, Shift D to create the pieces. Then S, bring them down a little more. Then G and move them around. That's pretty good, not bad. All right, so we're gonna create export this way, and then actually make it this way first, and then all right, and export a little bit over here. All right, and then press A, select all the geometry, press P by loose parts, and then tab, and then press top X-ray off, and then we have our 2 pieces from that 1 piece, and then we can auto mirror this on the other side, and there we have it. Nice. Okay, so that's it for creating separate objects from one initial object. In the next video, I'll show you how to create some of the other parts, how to do the little pipes and stuff. All right.